Have you ever thought that you may excel in the social justice world of work, but need more information before diving into the career field? Then you're in the right place. Thank you for joining me today. This presentation is designed to introduce you to the many career opportunities available within the field of social justice. Whether you are passionate about advocating for others, addressing inequities, supporting communities, or creating positive social change, there are many career paths that can help you turn those values into meaningful work. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore what social justice careers are, the different ways professionals can make an impact at the individual, community, and systems levels, and how you can identify careers that align with your interests, values, and strengths. I'll also share resources available through the Community College of Philadelphia's Counseling Center, including career counseling and the Focus to Career Assessment to help you explore your options and plan for your future. Let's get started. By the end of this presentation, my hope is that you will be able to define social justice and its role in today's workforce, identify at least three career paths related to social justice, recognize the importance of advocacy, equity, and inclusion across a variety of professions, evaluate how your personal values, interests, and strengths align with careers that support social justice initiatives. Identify majors at the Community College of Philadelphia that can prepare you for careers in social justice. A good place to start when deciding if social justice is right for you is to understand what social justice is. A career in social justice is a profession focused on promoting equity, fairness, inclusion, and access while addressing barriers that impact individuals and communities. Social justice careers can focus on issues such as educational access, equity, mental health and wellness, healthcare disparities, housing and food insecurities, criminal justice reform, environmental justice, disability advocacy, and human rights. In this slide, you'll see more than 20 different careers that fall within the social justice field. At first glance, this list may seem overwhelming, but don't worry. You are not expected to explore or understand every career on it today. The purpose of this slide is to show you the wide variety of opportunities available. Social justice is not limited to one profession or one major. Whether you're interested in education, healthcare, counseling, business, law, public policy, nonprofit organizations, or community advocacy, there are many ways to make a meaningful difference. As you look through the list, pay attention to the careers that spark your interests. You don't need to decide on a career today. Instead, think of this as an opportunity to discover possibilities you may not have considered before. Remember, social justice work can be found in many different industries and career paths. No matter what your interests or strengths are, there may be a way to use them to promote fairness, equity, and a positive change in your community. Listed here is a list of CCP majors that closely align with a career in social justice. While this is a great place to start, it is important to remember that social justice is not limited to one major or one profession. People in many different careers contribute to creating a more equitable society. If you're still on the fence about what social justice careers might be right for you, think about how and to what capacity you see yourself impacting systems. Before deciding which social justice career you'd like to explore, it's helpful to understand the different levels at which you can create change. While all of these careers aim to improve people's lives, they do so in different ways. Let's begin with the micro level. The micro level focuses on providing direct services and helping individuals overcome challenges and barriers. Professionals at this level work closely with people to provide support, guidance, education, or treatment. Examples of micro level careers include counselors, social workers, therapists, academic advisors, victim advocates, case managers, and teachers. The next level is the meso level. The meso level focuses on supporting groups, organizations, and communities. Rather than working with one individual at a time, professionals at this level develop programs, coordinate services, and strengthen organizations that serve larger populations. Careers at the meso level include community organizers, nonprofit program coordinators, community health workers, student affairs professionals, and diversity and equity inclusion specialists. Finally, we have the macro level. The macro level focuses on creating change by influencing policies, laws, and large systems that affect entire communities and populations. Professionals working at this level often conduct research, advocate for policy change, or help shape public programs and services. Examples may include policy analysts, attorneys, researchers, public health administrators, government officials, and human rights advocates. Let's review the three levels one more time. If you enjoy building relationships and working directly with individuals, the micro level might be the best fit for you. If you're passionate about developing programs, strengthening organizations, and supporting communities, you may find yourself drawn to the meso level. And if you're motivated to influence laws, public policy, or large scale systems that create lasting social change, the macro level may be where you can make the greatest impact. Remember, there is no best level. Each one plays an essential role in advancing social justice, and many professionals work across more than one level throughout their careers. Now that you've learned about the different levels at which social justice professionals can create change, you may have already had an idea of which level resonates with you the most. But identifying where you may want to make a difference is only one part of choosing a career. The next step is understanding yourself. The most fulfilling careers are often those that align not only with your goals, but also with your values, skills, and interests. Let's take a closer look at each of these and how they can help you identify a social justice career that's the right fit for you. Choosing a career begins with understanding yourself. Before exploring different professions, it's important to identify your interests, values, and skills. These three areas can provide valuable insight into careers that may be a good fit for you. First, think about your interests. What are you passionate about? What issues or challenges do you want to help solve? Your interests can point you toward work that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Next, consider your values. Ask yourself, what matters most to me? Do you value advocacy, service, leadership, equity, inclusion, or making a positive impact in your community? Understanding your values can help you identify careers that align with what is most important to you. Finally, take an honest look at your skills. Reflect on your strengths and abilities you enjoy using. If you're considering a career in social justice, you might ask yourself, am I a strong communicator? Do I enjoy working with diverse populations? Am I a problem solver? Do I enjoy helping others navigate challenges? Now that you know more about social justice, let's take a moment to think about at least one social issue or community challenge that you are passionate about addressing. It could be improving access to education, promoting mental health, reducing homelessness, advocating for environmental justice, supporting individuals with disabilities, or another issue that is meaningful to you. Next, ask yourself, how could a career in social justice help me create positive change in this area? What is it about a career in social justice that inspires or motivates you? There are no right or wrong answers. The purpose of this short activity is simply to help you connect your personal values and passions with potential career opportunities. Spending just a few minutes reflecting on these questions may help you determine whether a career in social justice is the right path for you. If you're struggling to identify a social issue you want to address, or are still uncertain if social justice is right for you, it may be helpful to speak to a counselor who can help you decide if a career in social justice fits your needs. The counseling department offers career counseling for all students, regardless of their student type. A counselor can help students explore their interests, skills, values, and career goals. They can also assist with exploring career options, choosing a major, understanding career pathways, developing academic and career plans. One of the tools career counselors use to support students through this process is Focus 2, which is an online career and education planning system. Let's take a closer look at how Focus 2 can help you better understand yourself and explore careers that align with your interests, values, skills, and personality. Focus 2 is a tool used at the Community College of Philadelphia that includes a series of assessments that evaluate your interests, values, skills, personality, and leisure preferences. Based on your results, the program suggests careers and majors that might be a good fit and provides information you can use to continue your research. It's important to remember that career assessments don't choose your career for you. Instead, they provide valuable information and insights that can help you make informed, thoughtful decisions about your educational and career path. Think of Focus 2 as a starting point for self discovery and career exploration rather than a final answer. The link to begin or to explore Focus 2 will be provided in the description of this video. Outside of providing one on one career counseling, the Counseling Center at the Community College of Philadelphia also offers a course called Counseling 101, Career and Life Decision Making. This course is designed to help students gain a deeper understanding of themselves through a variety of career assessments, self reflection activities, and research assignments. Throughout this course, you'll explore interests, skills, personality, and values while learning how they connect to different career options. You'll also have the opportunity to research careers that interest you, explore educational pathways, and develop a plan for achieving your career goals. Counseling 101 is offered during the summer, fall, and spring semesters. If you're still deciding on a major, exploring career options, or simply want a more comprehensive understanding of yourself before making important career decisions, this course might be an excellent fit for you. Aside from researching a career you might be interested in, one of the best ways to determine whether a social justice career is right for you is by gaining real world experience. Here are a few ways you can get started. Volunteer with a community organization that support causes you care about. Participate in service learning opportunities through your classes or local community. Join campus clubs and student organizations that focus on leadership, advocacy, or community service. Complete an internship to gain hands on experience and build your professional network. Attend career fairs, workshops, and networking events to learn about different professions. Talk with professionals who are working in the careers that interest you and ask about their experiences. Ask to shadow a professional for a day to get a firsthand look at what their job is really like. Each of these experiences can help you develop new skills, expand your network, clarify your career goals, and build a stronger resume while making a positive impact in your community. Now that you know more about careers and majors that align with social justice, I encourage you to start thinking about your next steps. Take some time to reflect on your interests, values, and strengths and consider how they might connect to a career that allows you to make a meaningful difference. Remember, a career in social justice gives you the opportunity to turn your passion into your profession. Whether your goal is to support individuals, strengthen communities, or influence systems and policies, every role contributes to creating a more just and equitable society. No matter which path you choose, your work has the potential to make a lasting impact. If you're a student at the Community College of Philadelphia and would like additional support exploring careers or choosing a major, I encourage you to schedule an appointment with a counselor. Before I go, I'd like to leave you with one final reflection question. What change do you want to create in the world, and how could a career help you make that impact? Thank you again for watching this video, and I wish you the very best on your educational and career journey.